In this video, we're going to take a look at a problem that says, what is the missing number on the number line? So now that you are in grade 3 or grade 4, you should know how to count numbers this high, right? And you'll know that numbers get larger as you go this way, right? So we see here the missing number. So all we need to do is start counting from here, and then we can figure out what the missing number is. So if we count 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, and 97 is the next one. And so we could just type in or write in 97 is the missing number. And that's the end of that lesson.